Hey guys, this is Daryl Whitman with Destinationwvftv. We have made it on to the Jubilee and have made it to our stateroom. I'm about to give you a cabin tour of our balcony stateroom on the Carnival Jubilee. So here we go. Our cabin number is 10322. We're on deck 10, room 322. So we're going inside right now. I don't kill myself first. So the first thing you'll notice is the temperature. You can control your temperature up and down, room temperature that is, up and down to your liking. We haven't had to adjust anything yet. It feels all right, but we just got here. That is where your room key goes. They already have something there to control the lighting or to turn the lighting on and off when you leave if you need to, but you need a room key in there to activate your lighting. Okay, on the right, once you come in, is your bathroom. Here is your bathroom. It is rather small, but I guess it's enough for you to do what you need to do. The shower is a decent size though, we thought. So that is your bathrooms. So that's shelving for you. A decent sized vanity. All the basic essentials that make up a bathroom. Whatever, all you need. Get in, get out, and get it done. Okay. When you come in and go to the left, you have one of two closets. As you can see, there's plenty of hanging space, which I love. Plenty of shelf space. There's your in-room safe. And like I said, they provide plenty of hanging space, plenty of hangers, even though we bring our own because it's usually not enough. But this may be enough. We'll see. So this is one side of the closet. And here's the other. This side comes with a mirror. Full-length mirror. This must be the woman's side. And that same hanging space. And shelving. So good sized closets. Can't complain about that at all. Here is the vanity. Good amount of shelving here. Good amount of counter space. Our little goodies we pre-order. And a lighted mirror. On the opposite side, there is a couch, which probably is a sofa sleeper. There is also a reading light there. You can see. Nice ocean artwork. Here's our bed. It's supposed to be a king, I believe. I always have my doubts about that though, but that's what it's supposed to be. It comes with a side table on both sides of the bed and also another reading light also on both sides of the bed. There is a nice size flat screen TV. I think it's a 50-inch. It looks about like what I have at home. Maybe a little smaller, I don't know. But good enough. And I love that they position it right in front of the bed, not off to the side and that type of thing. And look, they even have a little greeting for us. Welcome aboard Carnival Jubilee, Daryl and Etta. That's so sweet. More nice artwork. Great lighting. And here's the balcony. So the balcony is a nice size. Comes with a table, 2 chairs, about what you'd expect. But it's roomy out here. But what you would expect from a balcony. I was just hoping it wasn't one of those claustrophobic balconies, and it's not. So there you have it. I'll give you a little panoramic view of Galveston Bay, I believe. We are still here, if I can talk. I won't leave till about 4 o'clock. So, by the way, I don't know if you guys saw my video about the woman who actually climbed over her balcony and onto the roof of the restaurant below. Well, we're right adjacent to it, and that's where she climbed over, right there, onto that covering over the restaurant below. I didn't know I'd be that close, but that's where it was. How about that? Believe me, I won't be trying it. I want to stay on the ship, don't want to get banned from Carnival, and that was a stupid move. But anyway, so that concludes our balcony room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Check us out. Subscribe. Like and subscribe. Do what you do, but please subscribe. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye. This is Daryl Whitman. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of Destination WVF TV.